Hey, this is Ryan from Ride Shocks, and today I'm going to tell you about our Tacoma shocks. We're going to go over some of the basic features and benefits of the shocks in general, and then we're going to go over some Tacoma-specific benefits. Ride shocks are made from really high-quality parts, and so the first thing you notice is the aluminum shock body. We did that so that you don't have problems with corrosion and rust. We're using high carbon steel piston rods that are chrome plated, again, very corrosion resistant, great on the seals. We're using synthetic shock fluid. A lot of other people are using like a conventional shock oil, and we're full synthetic. We use really high quality seals. We spent a ton of time doing durability testing and evaluating seals and different seal designs before choosing these. And we can dive more into the kind of specifics and differences we did front to rear on those. We're using high quality FK bearings, so they last a long time. And we just really wanted to go through and make sure that we've got a really high quality product that's using the best parts available on the market. The next thing we did is we wanted to make sure we designed these things to have the absolute best ride quality possible. And so that starts with a lot of the internal parts you can't see. So it's shock piston, making sure that it has a really good design. All of our ports inside are completely radius with a smooth transition, really helps with ride comfort. We have very large ports, so they flow a lot of oil, so that when you're going over washboard and choppy roads, it soaks it up and it doesn't ever kind of choke out or hydrolock. You can also see that flows down into our hose. We did a ton of testing on different hose sizes, and the larger hoses really make a benefit when you get into that bigger choppy stuff and really help smooth it out. And really that design of aiming for the best ride quality is apparent in all of the parts that we chose, and the size of the things and the way we designed them was to always make sure that the shock is comfortable, whether you're on the street or off-road. The next thing we did is we really wanted to have a high and low speed adjuster. There are other adjusters on the market that are linear, but they're not a high and low speed adjuster. And there are other high and low speed adjusters on the market, but they're not linear. And so we really wanted to have an adjuster that did both. Having a linear adjuster is really important for ride quality, and having high and low speed really lets you fine tune the characteristics of the vehicle that you're trying to adjust. For example, a low speed adjustment can be really good for adding weight. So if you are loading up for a camping trip, you might want to add low speed damping so that it's not bouncy down the road. It's not bouncy on some of those G-outs. Same thing if you're going for performance, you can crank up the low speed to help on G-outs, but you may also want to crank up that high speed to help with those whoops. And so we really wanted to deliver the best of both worlds, and that's what we've done with our dual piston adjuster. And the way we've designed it is you're able to adjust low speed on one piston and high speed on the second piston. One of the next key features of Ride Shocks is our front coilovers. We have different weight bands. That's for different generations of vehicles and for different levels of modification. So for the front of Tacoma, we have 3 weight bands. Our starting weight band comes with a 550 pound per inch spring, and that's ideal for most second-gen vehicles. We've gone ahead and we've set the preload correct left and right, so that if you're putting it on kind of a common second-gen platform, you're gonna get the correct ride height. In addition to setting the correct spring and preload, we also have unique internal valving specifically for second-gen Tacoma, and we've also done unique adjuster valving, which most people don't do. So it's like we've gone through the whole package where it's the spring, the valving, the preload, and the adjuster are all matched for your vehicle. Our second weight band is for a stock third-gen Tacoma or a lightly modified second-gen Tacoma, and it comes with a 600 pound per inch spring. Again, we've gone ahead and set the preload. So if you've got a common third-gen Tacoma, you're able to install those and get the correct ride height out of the box. We also have unique valving, so we've changed the compression, we've changed the rebound, and we've changed the adjuster tune to match your vehicle. So we're really going in and doing all the details to make sure that your vehicle works as well as possible right out of the box. And our final weight band is for heavily modified vehicles. It's a 700 pound per inch spring. Again, the preload is preset to kind of what we see as the most common modifications, usually a third-gen Tacoma with a bumper and a winch, maybe a second-gen with a battery. And we've gone ahead and set the preload. We have different compression and rebound valving, and we have different adjuster valving so that it is tailored toward your modified vehicle beyond just changing the spring. So we've got our rear shocks here, and I want to walk through some of the features and benefits on our rear shock. These have really been tailored exactly for the rear of Tacomas. The first thing is lift height, and we found that a lot of shocks are made to fit the stock height, and that some of the lift shocks on the market are too high and the compressed length's too long, so you don't get any up travel. And so the first thing we did is try to really optimize the design to give us the most travel possible, and then optimize the lengths to fit what we find to be the most commonly optimized between, 1.5 and 2 inches of rear lift is kind of most common. And this shock is optimized to fit that range. And so some of the things we did to make that happen is we have an offset stud and a one-piece top cap here. And it's designed to be really, really compact to optimize the shock travel, and also offset to create additional clearance to the frame and leaf springs. It's a really compact and strong design. We've got a rotating reservoir here, which lets us get the hose out and away from the frame and around the mount and clock it however necessary. And then it also helps us shorten up the design because the hose is not in the path. It's kind of around the outside of the piston, so it can travel past it. Next up, we've got our aluminum shock body. The rear shocks tend to just get absolutely blasted by rocks, and the aluminum holds up exceptionally well and isn't going to corrode. Next, we've got our shock boot, which also helps with shaft protection. It's like your number one defense against leaking and dings and dents in the piston rod is a boot. We wanted to make sure we had boots to make sure the shocks live and last a long time. And one common problem that we found is a lot of other boots have the holes in the top, so the water and mud just drain right in, and then there's no holes in the bottom, and the mud and water can't get out. So we molded a special boot that has the holes on the bottom where they should be, and it fits our rod end, and it's zip tied on both ends so it stays in place. Moving down to the end here, we run bushings. The bushings kind of help give comfort on those rear applications and the smoothies, and so the bushings are a great way to go for ride quality. And then we've got an offset lower eyelet. The big 2.5s can get real close to the lower shock mount, and so the offset rod end down there gives us some additional clearance so that this shock can compress all the way down. And then again, we've got the big hose and the DPA adjuster. So you've got the best ride quality with the big high flow piston, the big hose, and you've got the high and low speed adjustment with our compression adjuster. In the rear, we also have 5 different shock options to cover the different level of weights that we see people modifying with. Our first 2 are for stock vehicles. So we've got one specifically for stock rear 2nd gen, and then we've got a next weight band up that is for stock rear 3rd gen. And both of those are custom tuned for each of those applications. It's custom internal valving and custom adjuster valving specifically to that application and that range of spring rate and lift height that you get from that spring. Next up, we kind of get into our more overland series that are made more for people who are loading up and unloading. The first one of those is made for kind of basically 3rd gen weight that's like 0 to I think about 300 pounds. With that, you can go down to stock, but it's got the tuning to support some additional weight. It's got the rebound valving to handle that much heavier rate spring and the overload leaves. Again, we've gone through and customized all the valving specifically for that application, and we've tuned it with some weight in the truck so that when you load up, you don't immediately close your adjusters. You've still got that adjustment range for fine tuning or for adding more weight. Our next band up is kind of our mid-range overland tune, and I believe it's for up to about 600 pounds in the bed. And so with that application, again, we've gone through, we've put the springs on, we've tuned them, we have special compression and rebound valving and adjuster valving for that spring rate and that weight, and we've tuned it how you're gonna have your truck so that you can put these on and have the ride quality that you're looking for. And then we've got the monster for the people who've got everything in the back of their truck, like up to 1,000 pounds. We did it. We put 1,000 pounds in the back of our Tacoma and went out and tuned these. And that way you can put 1,000 pounds in the back of your Tacoma. You can put those super heavy leaf springs and you can get the performance you're looking for right out of the box. So the reason that we went through all this work is that if you go and you put a shock that was tuned for a stock weight vehicle on a vehicle that's way too heavy, it's gonna be a pogo stick. You're gonna just be bouncing down the road. It's gonna be unsafe. You're gonna go like 1 mile per hour off road. By having a shock that's tuned for your heavier weight vehicle, you're gonna be able to drive much more comfortably on road and a lot faster off road. And the opposite happens if you have a stock vehicle. If you've got a stock 2nd gen and someone tuned your shock for a 3rd gen, it's going to be too stiff and it's going to be jarring on the street. And so by having all the different variations, we wanted to match the range of different builds that people do on the rear of their Tacoma. So we really wanted to make sure that our customers are having the absolute best experience with their shocks. That's why we've gone through the effort of using the premium components, making 5 rear shocks for Tacoma. And we wanted to extend that over to after-sales support. So we've got a 3-year, 50,000-mile warranty that we just want you to get the product, use it, and have a good time with it. If something comes up, we're here to take care of you. We also have a very thorough installation guide. It's got some tips and tricks in there to help you get these things on and get them working the way you want. And then we also offer a setup guide that helps with these customizations to make sure you're getting the correct ride height and that the shocks are going to work the way that you want, because it isn't always just to put them on. Sometimes you've got modifications and you've got to make some adjustments, and we've got some support to help walk you through how to do that. I can't tell you how proud I am to have released Ride Shocks and to be telling you about all the features and benefits and all the hard work that we poured into these. Literally the entire team here at Ride Shocks has worked incredibly hard in making sure that we are delivering a really high quality product that you can install and use and experience fantastic ride quality. And I'm just excited for you to check these out. If you have any questions, check out our website, rideshocks.com, or feel free to give us a call. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep a lookout for more.